Dear students, welcome to NIT Polytechnic online learning platform. We bring you the most relevant content in a most attractive digital format. Myself, A.V. Giratkar, lecturer NIT Polytechnic, Nagpur, Civil Engineering Department. In this second unit, crop water requirement and reservoir planning, and topic is 2.4. Now, in last lecture we study survey for irrigation project and data collection for irrigation project. Now, in this current session, course outcome after completion of this video lecture, the student will be able to CO map, estimate crop water requirements of a command area and capacity of canal. LO, same as previous, undertake, conduct survey for the given irrigation project, and PO map are PO1, PO2, PO3, PO4, PO5, PO8, PO9 and PO10. Now, area capacity curve. Area capacity curve is a curve in which two curves are plotted in one figure. Okay, in which area in hectares of water spread plotted on x-axis and reservoir capacity on y-axis. Means x-axis के ऊपर अपन एरिया ड्रॉ करेंगे इन हेक्टर्स में और just reservoir capacity means volume on y-axis. Then the curve gives about area under submergence, मतलब जितने एरिया में वाटर है उसका. The curve gives about area under submergence and useful in determining level of dam. ठीक है, ये submergence के ऊपर से उसका लेवल निकालने का. The capacity curve provide the information about capacity means volume of reservoir useful in deciding capacity of reservoir. Now see the area capacity curve already discussed. This is the x-axis and this is the area in square kilometer and this is the capacity means volume. This is 0, 100, okay? And this is the elevation. Elevation is nothing but the RL, height. So we can easily calculate the 10 स्क्वायर मीटर अगर एरिया है तो ये एरिया के लिए कितने एलिवेशन पे अपने को कितनी कैपेसिटी मिलने वाली है, ये सब अपने को यहां से पता चलता है. तो दिस इज द एरिया, दिस इज कैपेसिटी एंड दिस इज द एलिवेशन. ओके, सो दिस इज द एरिया कैपेसिटी कर्व. वी कैन इजीली कैलकुलेट द कैपेसिटी, एरिया एंड लेवल. नाउ फ्रॉम एरिया कैपेसिटी कर्व, इसके ऊपर से अपन क्या पढ़ते हैं, फ्रॉम द कंटूर मैप ऑफ रिजर्वायर एरिया the water spread of the reservoir at any elevation is directly determined by measuring area at that contour with the help of planimeter. Okay, then the capacity may be determined by taking contour areas at equal intervals and summing up these areas by following method. First is the deciding capacity of reservoir, second is the water spread of reservoir, and third is the elevation of water at any point can be calculated. And this curve will also useful in determining control levels of dam. Control levels अगले इसमें पढ़ेंगे अपन, जैसे कि मैक्सिमम रिजर्वायर लेवल, टॉप डम लेवल, ये जो लेवल्स है ये निकालने के लिए अपने को एरिया कर्व will also useful. Okay, now summary of this lecture. In this lecture we just learn the area capacity curve. Okay, now thank you. वेरी मच।